Hi everybody, this is how to program my motorcycle remote control. First of all, you have to locate the programming button on your garage door opener. It can be yellow, purple, red, orange, or green. After that, after you figure out what color it is, you refer to a table here on the bottom. It says for a yellow, purple, orange, or red, or green. So to access the programming mode, you have to push these two buttons until lights start blinking. When you stop, pick the button you want to use. Let's say this one, and you have to use it for a red or orange garage door opener programming button. You push it 3 times. After that, push any of other 3 buttons you don't need to exit programming mode. That's it. Thank you.